Hi, let's take a look at how to find the factors of a number and list them all out. Let's get started with an example. Let's find all the factors of 12 and we're going to make a list for them. So you just have to think to yourself, what are two numbers that multiply to give 12? These numbers are called factors. Straight off the bat, 3 fours are 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So these are two factors of 12. Let's just start making our list here. 3, 4. Are there any others? Yes, 6 twos are 12. 6 times 2. 6 and 2 are both factors of 12. Let's add those to our list. 6 and 2. I do believe that's about it. What about 12 and 1? Oh, we count those as well? Yes. Okay then, 12 times 1 is 12. So 12 times 1 equals 12. 12 is a factor of 12 and 1 is also a factor of 12. Let's add them up here. So there we go, our factors of 12. 3, 4, 6, 2, 12 and 1. All of these will divide evenly into 12, giving no remainder. 12 divided by 3 gives 4 with no remainder. 12 divided by 6 gives 2 with no remainder. 12 divided by 1 is 12 with no remainder. 12 divided by 12 is 1 with no remainder. These are the factors of 12, all listed out. On a more serious note, if you suffer from OCD, you may want to rewrite these in order. I'm just joking. That's not funny. It's just a little joke. On to another one. Let's try 30. So what times what equals 30? 15 times 2 is 30. So these are two factors of 30. 15, 2. And also, 6 fives are 30. 6 times 5 is 30. Two more, 6 and 5. I think that's about it. I guess we're going to default now to 1 times 30 is 30. Let's add those two. 1 and 30. There's still a couple more. Oh, I forgot. 3 and 10. 3 times 10 is 30. How could I forget that? Add two more. 3 and 10. So there we have all the factors of 30. 15, 2, 6, 5, 1, 33, 10. Quite a lot there. Let's finish off with one more. 17. What are the factors of 17? 17. Oh, it's odd. No, can't divide by 2. 3. No. No. The only factors of 17 are 17 and 1. 17 times 1 is 17, and that's all we have. 1 and 17. And whenever the only factors of a number are itself and 1, then that number is called a prime number. Your turn now. Please try example 2. Can you list all the factors of these numbers? One of them is actually a prime number. Which one? Don't forget to share those answers in the comments, and thanks for watching as always.